Hello. Hello. We haven't got time to do this on an individual basis. Well done for being out, firstly. Good on you for that. Seriously, I can't afford to go out at the moment. I'm so skinned. And I don't know if you agree with this. I honestly think there's programmes that should not be allowed on the telly while people are skinned. You know what I mean? There's things that should not be shown on telly when people have got no money. The main one, Grand Designs. Don't show that shit when people are skinned. Every episode's the same. Always some smug couple. Fucking Monty and Pippa. They're converting an 18th century water mill into a 5-bedroom house, and when you're skint, the most annoying bit is when the presenter, Kevin McLeod, says, Monty and Pippa have gone way over their £700,000 budget. Oh, my fucking heart bleeds for you. Poor Monty and Pippa. Let's have a whip round, shall we? Yeah, you scroll their bank details along the bottom, we'll all chip in for the bespoke glass roof they can't possibly need. I'm surprised Geldof hasn't got involved in this shit. Then he goes to see the house when it's finished. Monty and Pippa are saying things like, yeah, we really struggled to make this massive space feel homely. That sounds like a nightmare, huh? My bike is in my living room. / kitchen. And then that bit at the end where Kevin McLeod sort of summarises a house by walking towards the camera with the house in the background, listing all the pretentious words he knows. In that bit he just walks at the camera going, it's compromising, it's urban, it's evocative. Like, shut up, Kevin, it's just a house. And everyone watching this hopes it burns to the fucking ground. Sorry, it's an angry start, isn't it? It's an angry start, but skint, so I'm angry, that's how it works.